Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the archive type and collecting all hints you have about the password. This speeds recovery. Once done, install and test a chosen tool on a small sample archive so you know it runs. Make sure to prepare word lists and rule sets, and note whether you can use a GPU for acceleration. Then create a working folder and copy the target zip there. This prevents accidental corruption and keeps logs organized for the next steps. Next, pick an attack method based on your intelligence. Start with a targeted dictionary or mask if you know structure. Otherwise, use incremental brute force with sensible length limits. Configure charset and masks to match patterns like dates or leetspeak. Once configured, enable GPU acceleration and tune thread and workload settings. This maximizes throughput. Run a short test to verify correctness and then launch the full job, watching logs and system load to avoid overheating or throttling. When the tool returns a candidate, immediately test it on a duplicate archive to ensure integrity. If it works, extract to a safe folder and rotate any exposed credentials. If you don't find the password, broaden your approach. Combine word lists, add mangling rules, increase mask length, or try a different engine. Make sure to check encoding mismatches and whether the ZIP uses a different encryption standard. These are common failure points. Finally, manage heat and power limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.